Test your English grammar. She blank at school right now. A is, B are, C was, and D be. So we're talking about something that is happening right now. So we use a tense called present continuous. So if it's a present continuous, there's subject plus the verb to be plus verb ing. So be means is or am or are in this case. So she takes the verb to be is. So she is at school right now. Number two, I belonged to the gym yesterday. A, go, B, went, C, goes, D, going. So now we're talking about something it's already happened yesterday. We use the tense simple past. So subject plus V2 or past form of the verb. All right. So when you see A, it is verb 1, B, verb 2, C, verb S, and D, verb ing. So our correct answer will be B. I went to the gym yesterday. The last question. They plan breakfast every morning. A, it's, B, it, C, eating, D, it. I want you to write the right answer on the comment section. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.